Okay, in this video we're checking out this little micro airplane. It's targeted for beginners. It's very simple in operation. This controller here is just 2 channels. So on the left you have throttle, so increase the throttle, the plane will climb, and decrease it, it'll lower in altitude, and then you have right turns and left turns, so that's all you have. The turning is done by 2 motors with differential thrust, and it's made of EPP foam, practically indestructible. It could probably crash this quite a bit. It does require a little bit of assembly. I did a little bit of glue for the wing ends here and then the tail. I used some welder's glue, some sort of flexible glue would be good for this. And then in the back here for the tail piece, I used a little bit of clear packing tape just to give it a little more security in terms of holding it on. And the end wings here are also glued on, but then held on with these little motor pods. These little plastic pieces, there's 3 screws in each, and the plastic pieces also hold the motor on. It uses a small 1S LiPo 300 milliamps. Yeah, and just I took the wheels off because I'm going to be belly landing this, and this can actually get lost, but yeah, it's pretty simple. It does have gyro stabilization, so it should prevent it from crashing and keep it stable in the air. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it'll be able to handle this wind okay. It looks like it only can do right-hand turns. When I go left, it doesn't want to go left. But right seems to be working. Not exactly sure what's up with that. Whoa. It definitely flies. Wow. Yeah, I can do right turns no problem, but left turns don't seem to do anything. I think I'll land it and I'll reboot this thing, turn it off and back on again. So the differential thrust seems to be working. Let's try this again. It won't go left. It will go right though. You don't need a lot of power. It'll want to really climb hard if you give it too much power. All right, now the wind's taking it over in that direction. Okay, so it looks like the left motor's stronger. So that's why we'll do right turns, but the left motor seems weaker, so it's not really able to turn to the left. Or sorry, the right motor is weaker, it's not able to turn left. So this motor spins up not as strong. Yeah, the left motor is stronger. So I think I might just have a bad motor perhaps. I'll just see if I can fly this way. The wind's coming from that direction. I'll just do some right turns. Oops. This thing's practically going to be indestructible. I was right into the concrete. So I'm going all the way to the left here, and it is turning very slowly to the left, but the right turn is much stronger. Too much throttle. It definitely flies. I mean, it's a good flyer. Oh, that was a hard crash. Not being able to turn left does make things kind of challenging. Yeah. The nose just gets squished in because EPP is very soft. So it is able to handle some wind. It's very interesting trying to fly this. Give it more throttle, right turns. And the wind just takes it over in that direction. Oh, and I got a hard left turn there, back into the wind. Yeah, so definitely the difference in power between the left and right motor is making this difficult to fly. I can't make left turns reliably. Right turns are fine. Depends on throttle and wind. But yeah, it's pretty light. It's pretty sensitive to the wind. I think I just might have a bad motor here on the right side, or it's just a little bit weaker, so it can't make those left turns. But yeah, I think I'll try and maybe get another motor in here and try this again in a future video, but otherwise I think it would fly pretty good if the motors are evenly powered. Yeah, and it's a little bit windy right now too. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Comments down below. I'll try to put another video on this one later.